you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Hayla, and if you're new here, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys 20 tips, tricks, and things that I wish that I would have known before I started my weight loss journey. So the very first thing that I want to talk about is what works for somebody else might not work for you. So the first place that someone else can lose body fat might not be the same exact spot that you're going to lose first. I feel like a lot of people get confused and they think, you know, if I follow this exact diet plan, if I follow this exact workout exercise routine, I'm going to get the body that I'm looking for. That might work for you, that also might not work for you. We can't pick and choose where that is, but it's very important to know. Tip number 2, the environment is important. The environment that you're in is important. The environment that you're, this doesn't make any fucking sense. You might not think that, you know, when you wake up in the morning, your room is messy, you have a bag of chips laying around. That is your environment. That is what you're choosing to put yourself around, and you are most likely to now eat this bag of chips that you have found it lying around in your messy room. This might mean ensuring healthy snack options in and around your house. Everywhere that you can find things that can hold you back, your environment is very important. Number 3, it's about diet and exercise. They work together. You can cut calories all you want or log a ton of time in the gym, but those two scenarios need to work in tandem for you to get the results if you're serious. Tip number 4, having a plan is essential. Try your best to fit in and log, what was I saying? Having a plan is essential. Try your best to, 1, if you're going to the gym, fitting that into your schedule every single day. With dieting, figure out meal prepping. Figure out what you want to do for that week to boost yourself into making it happen, because if you have a plan, you won't forget to do it. Tip number 5 is don't expect too much too soon. Your body takes, 21 days? 21 days for your body to even get any sort of repetition or consistency out of what you're doing. So the very beginning might be hard, but I promise you, once you push yourself through that, you'll see the results you're looking for. Tip number 6, having coping strategies is very essential. Things that work for you, things that don't work for you, try to get a plan in place to fix all of that before you even have to cross that road. Tip number 7, it can't be about image. Long-term weight loss success has to be much more than how you're going to look. Make this journey about living your best life, being the best version of you. Tip number 8, doing this might feel like a solo effort, but having a support system in place is crucial and vital to your success. If you guys watched my first video, you guys would know that I relied a lot and heavily on the people around me. My support system included my best friend, my family, people that I worked with. Tip number 9 is something that I found personal to me. Fun fact about me, I've been doing this in like every video now. I love waking up in the morning and I spend a good 5 to 10 minutes just journaling, 5 to 10 minutes praying, 5 to 10 minutes going over what my schedule is going to look like for the week, fitting things in, making sure that I have a time in place for everybody and everything. So take that time, or at least 5 minutes a day, to go through and journal. Figure out, you know, what's working for you, what foods you like, what foods you don't like, what workouts are working for you that you're personally seeing a difference in the mirror every day, and what isn't. It definitely depends person to person, but I like doing this. Tip number 10 is working out can definitely take place in many forms. If you don't like going to the gym, don't go. If you have a hurt ankle and you physically cannot be squatting all of this weight, why do it? Why bother? Why hurt yourself? It's not going to work for you. Take that walk for 45 minutes in the morning. Go on a hike with your friends. Start riding your bike that's been sitting in your garage for 7-8 years. What I'm trying to say is you can definitely get exercising in without having to go to the gym. So if you work a job that you're heavily on your feet and you're moving around a lot, that's great. Tip number 11, drink lots of water. And I mean this one over anything else. Yes, you're going to be using the bathroom a lot, but something's gotta give. So make it happen. laughing. Tip number 12, cut out added sugars. That stuff is not good for you and it's everywhere. In Seattle, we have a sugar tax. What's our sugar tax, Devon?
No clue, because I'm not that smart.
Added sugar is definitely one of the worst ingredients in modern diet today. Most people just consume way too much. So that soda that you're literally drinking while watching this video, trash. Tip number 13, get good sleep. Sleep is highly underrated, but might be just as important, if not more important, than the actual diet and exercise. Tip number 14, beat your food addiction. You can most definitely go months, years without some of your favorite foods that you won't let go of. Tip number 14, eat whole single ingredients. So what I mean by this is real food. If you want to be a leaner, healthier person, then one of the best things you can do for yourself is to eat whole single ingredients. These foods are naturally filling, and it's very difficult to gain weight if most of your diet are these foods. Tip number 15, there are parts of your body that you wish you can change that you need to learn to love. And I am talking specifically about hip dips. Scientifically, you cannot get them to go away at all, period. You might be sitting down and your hips fill out. You might be, popping your leg out for that perfect photo to make yourself look amazing, which you always do, by the way. But some of those things you're just gonna have to learn over time. You can't change them, and there's really nothing you can do about it. Number 16, and this is one that I really push and emphasize on. Quick fixes don't work. If you're looking for long-term results, this goes for meal replacement bars, juice cleanses, water cleanses, any of that stuff doesn't really work. Tip number 17, sometimes eating more can actually help you lose weight. What I mean by this is doubling up on non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, for example, fills you up without packing in tons of calories. Tip number 18, increasing the intensity of your workouts can actually make them 1, faster, and 2, more effective. When I go to the gym, I personally like to do high intensity workouts only because I am consistently feeling that burn. And I think that for me and the way that my body is made and how I work, function, all of those things, that is the best for me. I can go to the gym and do an hour of cardio, or go to the gym and do about 25 minutes of HIIT and weightlifting and feel just as much progress in my body, just the amount of soreness and all that stuff. Tip number 19, you can be healthy at almost any weight, and I feel like a lot of people forget this one. So try your best not to harp on those numbers. If you ace your physical, you're not prohibited at all from doing the things you want to because of your size, and you're happy with your body. So then you don't need a scale to tell you that your weight is perfect. And to tip number 20, my last and final tip to you guys, trying to lose weight is a serious commitment. It requires patience, discipline, and a lot of hard work. So if you took anything out of this video, I hope you guys know that you are absolutely beautiful exactly where you're at, but these are all key essentials and what I think are some of the most important facts. So that was all 20 of my personal tips and tricks and remedies to get through your weight loss journey. I hope that they were really helpful to you guys. Definitely be sure to thumbs up this video if you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos that are weight loss related, I'll definitely know to do that. Try to get this video. How many views do you think we're gonna get? 500 views? Okay, Navon thinks we're gonna get 500 views. How many likes do you think we can get? Let's try to get 500 likes. Okay, so let's try to get 500 likes on this video. I would really, really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell to be notified every time I upload. Be sure to connect with me on social media. I'll leave all of my social media links down below. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.